Hey, it's me, Randy, behind this box. LMiSQ modern ceiling fan, 20-inch fan. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. I'm going to install this later, show you how it works, but let's open this guy up and see what we get in here. Packed very well, styrofoam. And here's the fan. It's got clear blades. What we got here? There's some instructions, the remote control. All right, two things right off the bat. It's super lightweight. I like the fact that it's lightweight. It's got clear fan blades on there. That's kind of cool. That's going to look really neat when it's hung up and working. I can see the remote control thing. It's already built inside of there. I like that a lot. Pretty cool. Let's see what's in this bag. We have the instructions, the remote control itself. Nice looking remote control. Plenty of features on there. We'll go over that after we get this thing hung up. Instructions for the remote control, which is good. We're going to need those. We have mounting hardware. We have wire nuts, some wood screws, and mounting hardware for this remote control. I guess this is a clip for the remote control. Yep, so you can mount this to your bedside or wherever you want to mount this. Looks like we're going to need 2 AAA batteries in there. Anchors, drywall anchors, and concrete anchors, whatever, and mounting screws for mounting this up there. And it also looks like this will mount to a junction box, which is what I'm hoping, because that's a lot easier for me. I've already got a junction box in my ceiling. A lot easier to just screw this thing in there, wire it up and go. All right, let's get this thing installed and check it out. Hire an electrician if you don't feel comfortable starting your own fan. First thing you want to do is make sure that there's no power going to these two things. First thing. Second thing, I want to see if this will fit in my junction box. Yep, that's going to work great. It's exactly what I was hoping for. I got some screws with washers coming off of my old junction box, and with these slots and everything that they have in here, this is easily going to fit under my... Second thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this ground screw off and just attach my existing ground wire right to this. No point in cable tying that. Ground wire connected. It says you don't need the ground in the instructions, but I'm doing the ground. Next thing we need to do is attach.
Just want to point out to you that the fan is super easy to clean. I
do wish there was a hook or something that we could use to hold on to while we're wiring this up, but it doesn't seem like that's the case. So, got a couple wire nuts in my pocket. Let's give it a shot. We're just gonna go black to black, white to white. There's black to black.
Reach up in there and get over top of them to clean the tops if you want to. You have plenty of room in there. Super easy.
You're trying to install it. I like to tape off the leads after I get them attached. Should be as simple as just hooking this guy on here now. Getting it on all 4 slots. There's 3, 4. That's it. Let's see what happens. Turn the power on. Wow. All right, I think it's going to work. So light come on, so let's screw these guys on. Tighten these up. There's one. You're just good to go for it. Yep. All right, here we go. Ta-da, fan's installed. Took me about 10 minutes tops. Turn the power on. Game changer. I got light in my room again finally. Look at that, baby. Wow. All right, now let's see what's next. Let's get the remote control going.
Just want to point out that the blades are super easy to clean. With the way that the blades sit inside of the housing, it's super easy to reach up in there and get over top of them to clean the tops if you wanted to. You have plenty of room in there. First time you use this, you can pair it right here using the pair button. It says a button in the upper right corner, but it's the pair code button. You press and hold it down for 5 seconds. The light flashes a few times, and it pairs it. You've got an all on-off button right here. You've got an all-off button. It's the light on-off button. You've got an all-off button that'll shut off. You've got to change the direction of the fan right here. There is a fan button right here. That turns the fan on, and you've got 6 different speeds on it. Let's check the different speeds. We're on speed 1 right now. Let's go to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Top speed, I can actually feel it on my legs over here behind the camera. So you can change the, look at that. Change the warmth of the light, the tonal color of the light. Interesting. Night light feature. Look at that. What is that? Wow. Oh, that's pretty cool. A lot of options here. Oh, you got a reverse button on here so you can reverse the direction of the fan in the summertime. You see it comes to a complete stop. It's going to reset and it's going to go. You're going to go. There it goes. Now it's going to pull all the air up. Pretty cool. And you got your fan on off button right here. You got a bunch of cool features on this remote control. You can also, there's a scan code inside there. Like I said before, you can scan the app and do all the things that you can do on this remote on the app as well. This thing was amazingly easy to install. I swear it only took me about 7 minutes to install it. I mean, I kind of know what I'm doing too, but at the end of the day, there was just black wire, white wire, and ground. I put the ground on the box and it was that simple. Pretty cool, modern looking. Bunch of different light options, fan options. You got a sleep option on here, timer on here. So if you're looking for a modern, affordable ceiling fan that doesn't take up a whole lot of room, check this one out. Check it out.